The homeowners really love the idea of these exposed brick walls, and they really look great, but you really don't have a chase to get the plumbing pipe down. As you can see it running right across the wall. Do you deal with this problem a lot, Mike?
Quite often in these old homes, Tom.
Yeah. Do you see any, what other solutions do you have than what you're doing right now?
Well, depending on the homeowners, but sometimes they'll have built-ins that will go all the way up to the ceiling.
All the way up?
Yeah.
Crown molding on top?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
And then another option also is to run out soffit and then have crown that steps around.
A plaster soffit with a big crown molding?
Yes, yes.
Well, I like the idea that you're building a fake beam. You're making a chase for that pipe to come in, but where are you getting this wood? It's beautiful.
Well, this is actually one of the bottoms. As you can see, it's half-inch material.
Yeah.
This is actually the back side.
I can see the old saw marks right here where it was sawed in the mill, probably.
And if you look at the front, you can see where it was painted from originally being on the
Oh,
wall.
yeah, the old paint. Look, that's probably where a molding went around. So this maybe was a paneling or something on the wall.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Over here is actually a piece of base. This is what we're making the front out of. And as you can see, it's got the original paint on the front.
Yep.
And when you turn it around,
Oh, yeah.
it's got that rough look just like this does.
That's really, you get that cleaned up, and that's what we have up there.
Yes.
Beautiful wood. Well, you got a few more pieces to go up. Can I give you a hand?
Yes, you can. This is the bottom piece.
Okay.
I'm gonna line it up on my end.
Yep.
Now, we can only tack this because the plumbing still has to be inspected, so everything's gonna come down.
All right, how's it look there?
Right there.
I like that miter on the front edge. It makes the beam look like one solid beam.
Yep. All right.
Tack it down there.
Yep. Next piece is this bottom piece right here.
Okay. Got it. Okay. Ready?
Yep. Next move here is we're going to take these pieces and we're going to build a fake beam that looks like it comes out the wall and supports this front beam.
Okay. Okay.
All right, now we got to put on the end.
Yeah. You good there?
Yeah. All right, now you'll be able to see what I've done here.
Okay.
And as we nail it up, you see that I have the end grain going this way to match this.
Yeah, so this looks like one solid block of wood.
And on the face, we turned it back up this way, so it looks like the end grain of a
So
board.
you're fooling the eye.
Yes.
Nice job. All right, I'm tacking it.
Yep.
There you go.
All right, that's it.
You know, the fact that you didn't make the joints at that lap joint tight where the two beams meet really looks good.
Yeah, you want to have the appearance that it looks like it's old, so obviously old wood wouldn't be tight right now.
You're right. Nice job, Mike.
All right, thank you, sir.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.